So there we go, just getting all this ready to rock and roll. And I found there was a stain. I don't know how this does it. Between the glass and the cooker on the inside, because this is the heated glass, so it's stuck in. But the one that looks pretty here, obviously has been cleaned, but somehow it got between the two of them and there was a stain going down the glass. So I thought I'd give it clean. But in the usual way of caravans, we ended up with two different types of screw. So you have little, there's only 4 that hold this front in. So these 4 go into these corners. But these are normal cross-headed screws. But these ones, at the end of that, why do they do this? So this is another one of these hex ones, the little special, not hex, star screws. That is, so I have to put it all back together with that. So I'm just going to put these back together now. So this is the heat treated glass, so don't lean on it too much because it's stuck on. There, look. You see it's all stuck on all the way around. And obviously when they put it in, they didn't finish it off probably nicely with paint either. Did some of it, not all of it. So but what I'm saying is don't lean on that glass too much. Whereas that one's the nice pretty one that everybody looks at. And now we're just going to offer those up. The top section is where that handle will fit on, so we know that this is the bottom. So I'll just put that in there for the time being. And there we go. Goes that way round. There we go. One clean door. Ooh. Ah, now you bought something, didn't you?
Yes. Inevitably, before we go on our first trip, and here we are in sort of April 2021, preparing for our first trip because of lockdown 3, I'll find some kind of gadget that'll work, and I found these. Yeah, look. There they are.
You got those shopping this morning, didn't you?
Yes, they're not to cover my face up. Oh no. These are, what am I? Plate covers. Now we do have some. But I like these because they were bigger, so you could, like, if you had a big bowl of salad or something like that, instead of trying to use the little ones we've got, I can just go and keep all the flies off.
Okay,
now these are particularly useful if you're going overseas, where it's hotter. Not so much in the UK, but you know, if you're eating outside, it's hot every day. Yeah, these are pretty good. So 2 of these to go with the smaller ones we've got. So thank you very much. We're in like $3.99 or something.
Yeah, for a pack of 2. Fab. Right, we're done. So that's it, we're finished in here now. So now it's so I've done all the hoovering of the carpet and stuff, so we're now ready to rock and roll.
No, turn it round. And so Steve is now more or less prepared the caravan, ready for our first trip away. So he's now going into the house to do the painting, the decorating, the hoovering, the cleaning the fridge, and the cleaning the cooker.
Oh, I don't think so. Anyway, we did finally get away, and I have posted the first visit to the pub and all that. This one would neatly slot in the middle before we end up with part 2. So I'll see you on the next one. All it leaves me to do is say thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.